Looking for the best blender to crush ice, whip up smoothies, or power through any ingredient you throw at it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down some of the top blenders that bring power, precision, and convenience to your kitchen. From high-tech features to powerhouse motors, these blenders are ready to handle it all. Let's jump in. Chefman Obliterator Countertop Blender. With a name like Obliterator, you know this blender means business. Packing a massive 1,380-watt motor, it crushes ice and blends with ease, without sounding like a jet engine in your kitchen. The 48-ounce shatter-resistant Triton jar is perfect for making smoothies, soups, or frozen drinks for the whole family. The auto blend function actually analyzes your ingredients and adjusts settings for the perfect consistency. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with its self-cleaning mode or dishwasher-safe parts. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Vitamix is the gold standard in blending, and the E310 Explorian proves why. With a 1,400-watt motor and aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, this blender pulverizes even the toughest ingredients. It has 10 variable speeds, giving you complete control, whether you're making silky smooth puree or chunky salsas. The 48-ounce container is perfect for family-sized batches, and the pulse feature lets you fine-tune textures. And here's the best part, just add soap and water, and it self-cleans in under a minute. Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender. If durability is what you're after, the Nuwave Infinity is built like a tank. With a 2.5 horsepower motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades, this beast crushes, blends, and purees with commercial-grade power. The 64-ounce BPA-free Triton jar is stain-resistant and shatterproof, while its NSF certification means it meets professional kitchen standards. It features 10 speeds, 2 pulse modes, and 6 blending presets, so you can tweak your blends on the fly. Oh, and it comes with a 10-year warranty, because this thing is built to last a lifetime. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. Power meets affordability with the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher. Don't let the 700-watt peak power fool you. This blender punches above its weight with 14 blending functions for everything from puree to shakes. The Wave Action System, which pulls ingredients down toward the blades for ultra-smooth results, no stirring needed. And when it comes to crushing ice, the Ice Saber blades are performance-tested to handle 2 tons of ice over their lifetime. The 40-ounce glass jar is dishwasher-safe, and the mess-free pour spout keeps things clean. Meet the OG of personal blenders. The NutriBullet Personal Blender packs a 600-watt punch, turning everything from berries to leafy greens into silky smoothies. Just push, twist, and blend, it's that easy. The 24-ounce cup is perfect for quick, nutritious drinks on the go, and cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. With its compact, intuitive design, this blender makes healthy living effortless. Plus, you get a to-go lid and a recipe book to kickstart your smoothie game. Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus. Power up your smoothie game with the Ninja BN301. This compact beast boasts a 900 peak watt motor that effortlessly crushes ice, fruits, and veggies for nutrient-packed drinks. Blend directly into one of the 320 ounces to-go cups, pop on a spout lid, and you're set. The Pro Extractor blades ensure smooth, creamy blends every time. Bonus? Dishwasher-safe parts and a recipe guide to fuel your blending creativity. Smoothies, shakes, extractions, this ninja does it all. BLACK+DECKER Countertop Blender. From smoothies to soups, the BLACK+DECKER 10-speed blender handles it all. Its 6-cup glass jar with the perfect pour spout means no drips, no mess. With 12 speed settings and a powerful 550-watt motor, you can fine-tune your blends to perfection. The Fusion blade ensures smooth, consistent results, whether you're crushing ice or pureeing veggies. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Every removable part is dishwasher safe. KitchenAid Corded Hand Blender. Whip up soups, smoothies, and sauces with ease using this KitchenAid variable speed blender. Its 8-inch blending arm and 4-point stainless steel blade deliver smooth, even results in seconds. The variable speed trigger gives you full control, while the removable pan guard protects cookware from scratches. It comes with a 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with a lid, perfect for storage. With KitchenAid's trusted durability and performance, this hand blender is a must-have for every kitchen. And that's a wrap on the best blenders you can get right now. If you're into blending smoothies, shakes, or soups, you'll love juicing too. Juicers take things up a notch by extracting pure, nutrient-packed juice from fruits and veggies. No pulp, just goodness. Whether you want a refreshing morning boost or a way to maximize nutrients, a juicer can be the perfect companion to your blender. In this video, I'll show you 10 of the best juicers to make fresh, delicious, and healthy juices at home. Check this video out.